ganda guys. Super damage yung kilig. Tara sa pakiramdam. Love this concealer. Kala, ganda. Hi everyone! So, welcome to my vlog and tinitingnan ko or nire-review ko yung mga kailangan kong gawin for a particular brand. So, pinag-aaralan ko guys. Ito yung sa mga isa sa i-unbox ko dito sa vlog ko. Kakagising ko lang, medyo naglalag pa yung utak ko. Pero nakapag-breakfast na ako and I'm starting my day with this healthy drink mix from Gmax Keto. It is packed with vitamin C. It is made with premium grade Japanese green tea. And it also has L-carnitine to burn fat. So, it's really a refreshing drink for everyone. So, kung nagkikrave kayo sa mga unhealthy drinks like soft drinks, juices. So, this one is the best alternative for that. So, sana sa pag-inom ko ng Gmax Keto, maging productive ako today. Ang dami-dami ko pang gagawin. Late na ako nakauwi kagabi from activity sa work. It's already 12:29 PM. Sana may magawa pa ako. Mayroon akong deadline mamaya. Nakapaggawa na ako ng to-do list. So, medyo konti lang to pero very tedious to guys na gawin kasi may editing pa dyan. And look at my case, guys. Please take some appreciation for my phone case. This is a gift from Casetify and it says, Girl Boss. It's very me, strong, independent woman. Char. Okay, let's start our day. So we have a new package of our healthy drink mix from Gmax Keto. We have one, have another one. So, I got 2 packs of Gmax Keto. Thank you so much, Gmax Keto! Ayan, para maganda yung paggawa ko ng content sa Gmax Keto at maiba naman yung itsura na lalagyan ko. So, nabili ko to matagal na panahon na, like last year pa. Ngayon ko lang siya gagamitin. Ngayon ko lang siya naisipang gamitin. And yes, sa Shopee ko lang to binili, less than 100 yata. I'll just put the link below, guys. And alam niyo yung mga panahong nauso yung mga ganyang storage. Oh, natatanggal siya, bes. Oh, astig. Sino ka dyan? Hindi siya kasha. Well, actually, marami akong biniling ganito. So, parang 4. Yee! So happy, guys. Sana hindi siya lang gamin. Ang ganda, guys, na nalagyan ko na. I-share ko sa Instagram story ko yung bagong storage ko ng Gmax Keto Drink Mix. You may follow me on my Instagram account at mayibejen. That's where I share my Boodle links and my PR unboxing. So, yeah. Hi everyone! So, kakaligo ko lang. I-share ko sa inyo yung current skincare na ginagamit ko. But before that, pinadalhan ako ng Dionat ng kanilang deodorant with spray, this roll-on, and tawas or stick. Mas madali kasi itong gamitin for me, kaya ito lang yung madalas kong ginagamit. So, like this one, oh. So, yan yung current condition ng kilikili ko. Nasunog yung kilikili ko last year kasi nag-shave ako habang nililigo, tapos basa. Ang ginamit ko is sabon. So, dumugo yung kilikili ko, guys. Talagang na-damage siya, as in super. Then, nag-message sa akin yung Dionat kung pwede daw sila makipag-collab sa akin. So, sabi ko, naku, hindi po ako pwede kasi talagang super damage yung kilikili ko. Hindi ko kayang ipakita yung kilikili ko at that moment kasi sobrang nahihiya talaga ako. Kasi sobrang damage siya, sobrang itim. Parang twice nila akong tinanong last year. Kinakamusta nila ako kung pwede ako makipag-collab nga. Nitong January 2022, nag-message ulit sila sa akin for their content or campaign this year. So, in-accept ko na. And another fun fact, never ever in my life akong gumagamit ng deodorant. Kasi feeling ko okay naman yung kilikili ko, pati yung pagpapawis ko sa kilikili ko, tolerable naman. And hindi rin naman siya maamoy. So, bakit ako magde-deodorant, diba? Pero since na-damage nga siya last year dahil sa kagagawan ko, kailangan ko din, syempre, mag-try ng mga deodorant na pwedeng pampaputi. At the same time, natural naman yung content niya and hindi siya makaka-harm. So, wala akong maiko-compare sa ibang brand with Deonat kasi hindi ko pa nga natatry yung iba. But this one, wala akong nararamdaman na masakit or irritating. Syempre, sensitive yung balat nga natin sa kilikili, diba? So far, so good naman yung effect niya sa akin, guys. Like, kita-kita ko talaga yung improvement sa kilikili ko. And surprisingly, ito rin pala yung gamit ng mga kapatid ko. Nakita ko sa CR na bahay ng ate ko. Meron siyang Deonat doon. Sa mga gamit ng kapatid ko na bunso, ito rin yung gamit niya. Talagang nakakatuwa lang na yun pala. Ginagamit na pala ito ng mga kapatid ko. And as well as my friends, workmates. Goods tayo, guys, sa Deonat. Ang ginagamit kong toner, guys, yung nabili kong oil control toner sa Shopee na sobrang mura. This one, oh, paubos na. Effective siya for me kasi sobrang magmantika talaga yung skin ko, like sa face. This is the toner that I'm using for my pimples. Sobrang ganda nito, guys, magpatuyo ng pimples. Like, it only takes 2 to 3 days and then nagsasubside na siya, tapos natutuyo siya agad-agad. I'm using Lux Organics. And this aloe vera soothing gel is so good, guys. Highly recommended if you gonna put makeup on para mas maganda yung effect ng makeup. Mas maganda yung kapit, like sa foundation or sa concealer. So, kahit na sa mga sunscreen. For this serum, guys, I highly encourage you to try this Pond's Age Miracle Ultimate Youth Essence. Lalo na sa mga kabatch ko na magto-29 na this year. Or nakapag-29 na this year, guys. Let me remind you na next year magta-30 na tayo. Kaya gumamit na kayo ng anti-aging as early as now. And kasama din sa skincare routine ko ang gua siya. Ayan, para matight yung skin natin sa face. To prevent aging skin. Kapag masakit yung ulo ko, ewan ko, parang may magic to ah. Sarap sa pakiramdam. This is the sunscreen that I use for my daily skincare routine, guys, to protect my skin from UV rays or sun damage. This has UVA or UVB protection with PA+++. And SPF 50 siya. I forgot, guys, I'm also using lip oil for my dry lips. It is melon extract lip oil. Lasa talaga siyang melon. So here are the products I received from You Beauty brush set, guys. And lots of eyeshadow. I got 5 from their campaign or collection. Focus on Me eyeshadow. Ta-da! Colorland. Ta-da! So let's try this Shine Upon. See? Ang ganda. Pigmented siya, guys. Gagawa na ako ng content ngayon para ma-edit ko na siya. BRB! Hi, my love! So, I'm back. Tapos na ako gumawa ng content for You makeup products. So, that's what I'm wearing now. You eyeshadow. So, I used Focus, Sensory, and Rome shade. And, I forgot to mention earlier, guys, na pinadalhan nga din pala ako ng makeups ng Says Lady. So, they sent me this loose powder. Actually, nagamit ko na tong mga to, guys. Nilagay ko lang ulit sa box para mas ma-appreciate nyo. And, here's the loose powder. This is so good. And, I love this Says Lady Concealer. This one, guys. Here, so, pag bumili ka ng brow gel tint nila, may kasama ng spoolie and this angle brush na applicator. So, what else do we have here is this soothing gel from Seoul-White, Korea. I use this, guys, for my body. So, ayoko kasi ng iisang soothing gel yung ginagamit ko sa face and body. One for my face and one for my body. This is good for your dry cuticle or nails. Siko, ganyan. And sa knees guys. So for the content of my makeup products, just head on to my TikTok account, Mayie on the Road. You'll be able to see how I did this makeup. For the last unboxing that we have here, meron ulit kumuha sa atin na clothing brand from Instagram or Shopee, then yung shop nila. So happy because I am now part of Anywhere Ready Manila. So thank you so much, guys. Look at this packaging. Ang shala, ganda. Yay! I got two. This is how it looks like when worn. So this is the top. Actually, parang dapat crop top to. Since petite ako sobra, kaya dapat iangat pa natin siya ng konti. And my ruffles here. I'm so happy. It's so pretty. Tapos makaka-chin Bernardo, diba? Hi, my loves! I like this. It's so pretty. I'm in love with this dress. Look at the back details. See? Parang akong prinsesa. Prinsesa agad. I love it. Thank you so much, Anywhere Ready Manila, for sending these beautiful clothes, guys. I love it. So guys, for the quality is really excellent. Walang extra stitches for the threadings. And for sure, hindi rin napapawisan dito because the fabric is so light and it's cotton. So yeah, very flowy din siya. So may konting pabaklas lang dyan. And I love the color as well. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Kindly drop a comment. What is your favorite part in this vlog? And please don't forget to subscribe, my loves. See you again soon. Bye!